رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 7a on double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. The three vowel signs. Harakat. We have learned three signs. Fatha, kasra, and dhamma. Today, I am going to tell you an interesting story about a beautiful bird. Bird is طير in Arabic. We are going to use it with fatha, طيرة. But it can be said as طيران, طيرين, or طيرون, depending on the context. So, once upon a time, the letters went for a picnic. The word طير started coming down towards them. Noon Sakin was very excited to see a طير flying. As the طير came down, Noon Sakin also got near. When the طير landed, Ed wanted to join it. So it changed its shape slowly to fatha. And it set up a fatha. Did you see that? The second fatha is nothing but noon with sukoon. It became طيران. Alif loved the double fatha on طيران. It came closer to the double fatha and joined them. Then the طيران flew away. Did you see the طير flying there? Yes, there is طيران. Wow, isn't that an interesting story? What did you learn from it? You learned that one with double fatha is the same as one with one fatha and noon sakin after it. Because the second fatha is nothing but noon with sukoon, the same is for ben with double fatha is the same as ben with ba with one fatha and noon with sukoon after it. Double fatha. Double fatha, whenever you see it, make sure you see noon sakin hiding inside it. And similarly with double kasra, make sure you see noon sakin hiding inside it. And same with double dhamma. Make sure you see noon sakin hiding inside it. Isn't it interesting how noon sakin hides in tanween? That's all for now. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.